What's going on, man? Who wants to?
I probably only need one. The rest of you go to them inside.
Okay.
You just want to hit them.
Yeah.
We needed to move back please to the other room. Can you please do that?
We want to do it in the safest way possible.
She's not even that. She's never like
really
that.
not like
she's
that.
not like that.
Then, if that's the case,
But
we
you
don't
guys
have
can
an
be
issue.
doing that.
Right now, we need to just
That's really gonna cause some problems to her.
We're gonna try to talk to her and try to work through everything so
You
we can
really got
safely
them
get
coming
her
here with
detained.
guns. The kids are in here and now they're crying because they're pointing guns.
Nobody's pointed any guns.
Mo for my fault or the fuck off fault. Ik kan
Oh my
in
gosh.
the fuck off couple the fact there.
I know it's a stressful situation for everyone, but if you guys can give us a little bit of space.
Oh my.
Does she still have? Can you turn the phone off, or if he needs to watch it to keep him calm, can he go into a room with you? And does she still have the knife with her?
This is honestly not the first time this has ever happened. It was always like this between them at home, back at home. But for her to call you guys because of this shit, this.
Okay, I don't know what's going on. I'm sure you guys talked to the other officers. Right, but my concern right now is if she still has the knife with her.
Is it okay if I talk to her? Like crack the door?
We can't let you get close because we gotta make sure you're safe too. We can't let you get close to
Right now
her.
we're wasting a whole bunch of time.
We can't do
If you
that
guys could
until
just
you
go
go
into
in
the
the
room, we could do our business safely.
And we can talk.
And we can talk to her, we can deal with her, and then we can talk to you guys. Right now you're throwing a whole bunch of wrenches in the mix that doesn't need to be.
Throwing a what?
You're throwing a wrench in the mix. You're making this harder for us because we're having to focus on your safety, our safety, and hers instead of just our safety and hers.
I'm just trying to make sure that my sister's okay.
Well, so are we. That's our goal here. Okay, can you please go into the other room so we can focus
Is
on
it okay if
her?
I just stand here?
I would prefer if you went into the other room. If you guys want to stand in the doorway, that means in the doorway where you are, everybody needs to be behind you.
Okay, they're right here.
Hey, go ahead and show me your hands. Show me open, empty hands. It's the Anchorage Police. If you do not comply, you could be injured.
Excuse me, can you pack my phone?
Open, empty hands. We are not going away.
Thank you.
We want to help you.
Can we get her first name?
What's her first name? What's that?
I need to see open, empty hands, please. Show them. I can't see them from behind you. Put them above your head, please.
Want to get
Please show me open, empty hands. Your non-compliance could result in injury. I don't want to hurt you. We have lethal, we have less lethal options, we have taser, we have K9, we have 40mm launcher, okay? Face away from me.
Drop the knife.
Drop the knife.
Drop the knife.